Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toodles from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with the curve across at the top. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and bring it in at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two large circles. And then let's add another circle inside each one. And then color both of these in black. And lastly, on top of each eye, let's draw two lines up for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across underneath. And then another curve underneath this one. Now inside, let's draw a line down in the center, and then one more on each side. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the pattern on the forehead. In between the eyes, let's draw a curve across. Then on top, in between the eyelashes, let's draw a curve up and back around. Now we're going to draw the number 8 inside. Let's start with a curve up and back down, leaving the bottom open. And then a curve underneath and back up. Now inside the top, let's draw a curve up and back around, and the same thing in the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two angled lines underneath the head. Then let's curve it down and back up like this. Now underneath in the center, let's draw two curves down. And then at the end of each one, let's draw a small black circle. Now let's hop back up, and from the sides, let's step in and let's draw a curve out on both sides like this. Then let's curve it down towards the center with a wavy line. Now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw two curves going out. Now on top for the hands, let's draw a curve up and back in. And then a smaller curve underneath for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with two curves down on the left and two on the right. Now from the outside line, let's curve it out and down. Then from the inside, let's bring it down and curve it out. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Toodles. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!